How to use Viggle AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up the Viggle AI's official website, make sure it is the right one, and over here we can utilize different commands in order to do our task. And currently the beta version is there, and in order to use it you will have to need a Discord, and for that just simply click on this option of join the beta version, and after that make sure that you verify your account, and after verifying your account you would be able to do the tasks on it and create your animations and all sort of things that you want to do. So after verifying your account you have to scroll down on the different windows on Discord, and here on the creator window you would be able to find different rooms. Just simply join any room over here, and after that you need to make some command. For that just simply type / over here, and here it would give you different options, whether you want to animate any particular character, or you want to ideate something from the scratch, or you want to mix the images and videos and the backgrounds and other things. You can also check out different settings over here. So in case if you want to animate any particular character, just simply select that particular character, then just simply select this particular command of /animate, and then you would be requiring to upload an image from your PC or your laptop or your device, and then you would be requiring to give the motion prompt, the kind of motion that you want from your particular image. And after that you can also add the fine tuning to your image or the character in case if you want to make it look more real. And you can also get it in different backgrounds, like you can get it in green, blue or white or the regular background. So in case if you add images like this, you can convert these images into the animations or motions by giving out the prompts like this. Like this particular prompt, which is Tom Cruise Risky Business, it would create this particular image dancing on a song which is related to Tom Cruise, and this is how it will appear. So it was just an image, now it got converted to this way. So this is how you would be able to give out different prompts or the motion prompts, and you would be able to convert your images into motions. And you can utilize the other aspects of Viggle AI as well in the similar fashion, like the ideate one, mix one, and this is how you do it. So I hope this particular video was helpful for you, and in case if you got some questions you can just drop them down in the comment section and our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.